Have you ever wondered what it truly takes to hold someone accountable for their actions, especially in complex situations like armed conflict? It is not just about intent, but also about the tangible deeds committed. The Actus Reus element is absolutely crucial in international humanitarian law because it establishes the objective, physical component of a crime, providing the concrete evidence that an unlawful act actually occurred. Without this clear demonstration of a prohibited conduct, there can be no criminal responsibility under international humanitarian law, regardless of what someone might have intended. This element is the foundation of individual criminal responsibility. It defines the external conduct that is forbidden by law, meaning the physical act or omission, and sometimes the resulting harm. In international humanitarian law, acts like willfully killing a protected person, torture, or destroying civilian objects are all examples of Actus Reus. This objective standard ensures that justice is based on observable actions, rather than solely on difficult-to-prove states of mind. It forms the objective proof necessary to bridge the gap between intent and actual culpability, protecting against arbitrary accusations, and ensuring that only those who physically commit or contribute to prohibited acts are brought to justice. Understanding the Actus Reus element helps legal professionals, investigators, and even military personnel properly categorize and prosecute violations. For instance, when investigating an alleged war crime, the first step is to gather evidence demonstrating the physical act itself. Was there a deliberate attack on a hospital? Was a prisoner intentionally harmed? Documenting these physical actions is paramount, allowing for a clear factual basis upon which to build a case. This means identifying the specific conduct that violates the rules of warfare, such as ordering an illegal attack, actively participating in ill treatment, or even failing to act when there was a duty to do so. One key insight is that Actus Reus goes beyond simple physical movement. It can also include omissions, meaning a failure to act when there was a legal duty to do so. For example, a commander failing to prevent atrocities by subordinates, despite knowing about them, could have an Actus Reus based on that omission. Furthermore, this objective element works hand in hand with the mens rea, or mental element, to form the full picture of a crime. Together, they ensure that responsibility is assigned only when both a prohibited act is committed and there is a culpable state of mind, like intent or recklessness. Ultimately, recognizing the importance of the Actus Reus element ensures a robust and fair system of justice in armed conflict. It anchors legal accountability in demonstrable actions, providing the necessary objective proof that a crime under international humanitarian law has indeed been committed. This clarity is essential for upholding the rules of war, deterring future violations, and providing justice to victims by focusing on what was actually done.